Paying light bills with a credit card is a convenient and efficient way to manage your utility payments. To get started, you need to check if your utility provider accepts credit card payments. Most providers have an online platform or mobile app where you can make payments, and they usually list the accepted payment methods, including credit cards. Once you have confirmed that your provider accepts credit card payments, you can proceed to make a payment. First, gather the necessary information, including your credit card details, utility bill account number, and the amount you need to pay. Next, visit your utility provider's website or mobile app and navigate to the payment section. Select the credit card option as your payment method and enter your credit card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. You will also need to enter your utility bill account number and the amount you want to pay. Review the payment details to ensure everything is correct. Then submit the payment. You will receive a confirmation of the payment, and the amount will be deducted from your credit card. It is essential to note that some utility providers may charge a convenience fee for credit card payments, so be sure to check the provider's website for any additional fees. Additionally, make sure you have sufficient funds on your credit card to avoid any declined payments or late fees. To avoid interest charges, it is recommended to pay your credit card bill in full before the due date. You can also set up automatic payments to ensure your utility bills are paid on time. Paying light bills with a credit card can help you earn rewards, such as cash back or travel points, if you have a rewards credit card. However, be sure to check the terms and conditions of your credit card to understand the rewards program and any applicable fees. In summary, paying light bills with a credit card is a straightforward process that can help you manage your utility payments efficiently. By following the steps outlined above and being mindful of any additional fees or interest charges, you can make the most of this convenient payment option.